In this video, we'll be looking at how you can calibrate your e-beam solution. Why should we calibrate? When we initially purchase our e-beam solution, we will be prompted to calibrate for the first time. This is after we have initially set it up, and this will help us get it aligned and get on with using it. Thereafter, there could be a number of reasons why the board would go out of calibration and you would need to calibrate it. But what does going out of calibration mean? Should I wish to come and fill in my answer here, and I fill in answer, and it does not appear on the line, it means that I am out of calibration. And this can be very frustrating when trying to teach a specific lesson, move things, add answers into the correct place, or draw pictures. There are a number of reasons why I can go out of calibration. First one being, it's a portable solution. So if you take the solution with you, every time you connect it up, you're going to have to calibrate it. Other reasons could be that the projector has moved. You could be in the classroom below another classroom, and the moving of chairs or the shutting of doors causes the projector to move, and hence it can go out of alignment. And other options could be the device has slipped on your board, or it's been bumped during a lesson. Therefore, you need to calibrate it to get it aligned again. How do we go about calibrating our e-beam device? The easiest way is to actually press the green button found on our e-beam receivers. If we press this button, it brings up our orientation and alignment screen. Another way we can do this is by going down to the taskbar and clicking on our e-beam Education Suite button. And fifth from the top is Calibrate Interactive Area. If we click on that, it'll bring up our orientation screen again. Another way to do this is by looking at our desktop palette. Here you will see that we have the orientation and alignment button. Once again, if I click on that, it'll bring up my orientation and alignment page. This will be projected onto my board, and what I'll need to do is I'll need to go and get my interactive stylus. When I click it against the board, you'll hear the soft buzz. I need to go up to my board and gently tap in the highlighted target area. That is the sound it makes when it's doing it correctly. Should I go out of alignment and not press in the appropriate spot, I'll get that beep and I'll need to go back to that target and try again. And that means my e-beam solution is aligned and I can go ahead and use it. How often should I align my board? Depending on what type of solution you have. If your solution is permanently fixed to the wall, you shouldn't have to align it that much. However, if you are the class underneath another class and the opening and closing of doors and the moving of chairs moves your projector, chances are you'll probably have to align it. It's a good idea to incorporate the children in doing this, as it can become a game and an activity, but at the same time it becomes a pedagogical skill because they learn how to use the pen and align it correctly on the board. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.